So last night we spent the night in a huge garage, and we were luckily able to get the electric going enough so that we could have AC. But Shellis, our dog, is an extremely loud snorer, and we realized that we backed up so far that we couldn't open the toy hauler door to lower our bed. So Randy slept on the couch. I'm like, I couldn't do it. Shellis was way too loud, and I have to sleep in the bed with the door closed with a sound machine because it's really, really loud. So Marianne, this is for you. You wanted to know how the heck I got up here with the bed raised. So look what I had to do.
The bed's like 5 feet in the air.
I don't care.
This reminds me of the Navy getting into my coffin bed.
I had to do it. I had to get up like this. And I hit
Oh.
my head. And we have all this stuff over here on the bed. And then I had to like this. And honey, could you show them what it looks like out there? This is our view.
It's our view. A wall.
And I had to get up, and I whacked my head like 5 times. That's it. I just want to show you how to get up in a bed that's raised up to the ceiling in an emergency situation.
You want help getting down?
Well, this is how I had to get down.
All right, watch your head.
In the dark, because it's so dark in here. So I had
I would have broke my neck.
5:30 in the morning. I had to get up.
Careful.
You just jump down like that. That easy.
Okay, goodbye.